An individual who consumes one bitter gourd, which is also referred to as bitter melon or Momordica charantia, on a daily basis may experience both beneficial and negative effects on their health. Bitter gourd is a vegetable that is particularly high in a variety of nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and iron. It is also a vegetable that is low in calories. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants and has been utilized extensively in certain civilizations for centuries due to the potential health benefits it offers. Some of the potential advantages of consuming bitter gourd include the following. 1. Controlling blood sugar levels. The consumption of bitter gourd is frequently suggested to diabetics due to the possibility that it can assist in lowering blood sugar levels. As a result of the presence of chemicals that imitate the action of insulin, it can assist in the regulation of blood sugar levels. 2. In the management of weight. The bitter gourd has a low calorie count and a high fiber content, both of which contribute to its ability to assist with weight management by enhancing the sensation of fullness and facilitating digestion. 3. Being abundant in antioxidants. Several types of antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, are found in bitter gourd. These antioxidants have the ability to shield cells from the harm that is produced by free radicals. 4. Support for the immune system. Bitter gourd contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, which can serve to help to the maintenance of a healthy immune system. Consuming bitter gourd, on the other hand, may potentially have the following potential adverse effects. 1. A more astringent flavor. It is possible that some people will find the flavor of bitter gourd to be disagreeable because of its intense and bitter flavor, as their name suggests. Individual tolerance is the second point. It is possible for some individuals to develop discomfort in the gastrointestinal tract, nausea, or diarrhea after drinking bitter gourd, particularly if they consume very large quantities of it. 3. Interference with the use of drugs includes. Bitter gourd has the potential to interact with a number of medications, particularly those that are administered for diabetes. If you are currently on medicine and are currently contemplating the addition of bitter gourd to your diet, it is imperative that you get the advice of a qualified medical professional. Regarding pregnancy-related concerns, the consumption of bitter gourd by pregnant women should be approached with caution because it has the potential to cause menstrual stimulation and may also result in difficulties during pregnancy. Although bitter gourd can be a nutritious supplement to a balanced diet for many individuals, it is best to contact with a healthcare practitioner before consuming it. This is especially important if you have any pre-existing health concerns or are taking any medications. It is important to remember that individual responses to bitter gourd can vary, thus it is vital to keep this in mind.